Here at the Florida Aquarium, conservation is at the core of everything we do. The actions that we take have a direct impact on our quality of life and the quality of life of animals and environments around our blue planet.
There's an increasing disconnect between people in the world and nature. And what the Florida Aquarium does is it allows us to narrow the distance in that disconnect. When you come eye to eye with the animals in our care, it can be a very emotional and powerful experience for you. And hopefully that will inspire you to care about the animals in the natural world.
I think the role that we play in the community has a lot to do with building the leaders of tomorrow, the stewards of tomorrow, because a lot of the students that we're working with today are going to be those decision makers and problem solvers of the future. And what we try to emphasize is that anyone can make a difference.
In order to be effective at saving wildlife, it takes people, and we have an incredible staff here dedicated day and night.
These people love the animals that are in their care, and the compassion that they have for those animals cause them to go above and beyond every day.
Saving the most vulnerable wildlife is what we do every day. It's important to us. We know it's important to you. We appreciate you joining us in saving wildlife in our backyard and around the globe.